Now, your CBS Atlanta Storm Tracker forecast with neighborhood weather.
The clouds have moved back into Atlanta after the sun has set on what was the second coldest day so far of this winter, dating all the way back to last December, December 1st. We only reached the 30s today. We started off at 25 degrees this morning in Atlanta, reached an official high of 39 degrees, just a 14-degree temperature spread, and now we're already starting to fall again. 35 degrees currently outside. Good news is the winds that were gusty at times today, well, they're less than 10 miles an hour in most locations. The only place I can find them more than 10 miles an hour is Gainesville, currently at 14 miles an hour, generally out of that westerly direction. The highest gusts today, less than last night, but still pretty gusty, close to 30 miles an hour there in Austell, the same in Roswell. A gust of 28 miles an hour in Stone Mountain, and Dallas in Paulding County had a gust of 27 miles an hour earlier this afternoon. And of course, wind chills this morning were in the teens, generally in the 20s all day. The actual air temperatures now generally right around freezing in most locations. Overnight tonight will be falling below freezing into the middle 20s, 25 in Atlanta. And notice the average low this time of year is 34, so we're trending about 10 degrees below the average. And highs tomorrow, we're getting close to seasonable levels. We'll be up to 49 tomorrow in Atlanta, so about 10 degrees warmer than today and close to that average of 52. Cooler up across the higher elevations, 45 in LJ, 49 in Rome. Carrollton, you'll be seeing a high right around 50 degrees, 52 in LaGrange, the same in Eatonton. Athens around 48, and Gainesville 47. All right, we've got one more batch of clouds moving in right there. That is on top of us. That's going to be pretty solid for at least the next 2 hours, but look upstream behind the storm system. Nothing going on across the central part of the country as that low lifts up and out of here, taking with it the clouds and the wind. A nice looking weekend is settling in. High pressure moving out of the Gulf of Mexico. When it moves out of the south, we get some nice southwesterly winds as it builds in, and this will provide temperatures that are warmer than we have seen over at least the last 24 hours, and a ton of sunshine as well. And in fact, as we head into early next week, temperatures will be pressing 60 degrees. Nice, huh? All right, it's going to be cold tonight with clearing skies and calming winds. We're going to see a low around 25 degrees, very similar to what we woke up to this morning. That will be tomorrow. However, it won't be as windy. Mostly sunny, still kind of cool though on your Saturday, 49 degrees for your expected high there, and a decent looking 70. You can't complain too much here for January standards. On Martin Luther King Day, we're going to start off around 34 degrees, 57 for the afternoon, then close to 60 degrees here on Tuesday. But a cold front does move through. A good shot of rain so far, about a 50% chance. That'll probably go up as we get a little bit closer. And then slightly cooler behind that for Wednesday, 50 there, overnight lows in the 30s. And look at that, 52 on Thursday, and even by next Friday, trending back close to 60 degrees. And as I recap the weekend, we're giving Saturday a 7 on the scale, a forecast by the numbers, 8 on Sunday. Out of the 2 days, I think Sunday is going to be the best one.
All right, Justin, thank you. Nurses help